Hi, my name is Brooke, and I'll be teaching you how to solve open sentences involving multiplication and division facts. So, first step. First, you think of a problem-like sentence. This is my problem. The preschool held a tricycle parade. Trent counted 135 wheels. How many tricycles is that? So this is where this table comes in handy. And so first I would fill out the table. So 10 has how many threes? Basically, that's like saying what's 10 times 3? And then 20, how many threes are in it? That's basically like saying 20 times 3. And then 30 times 3, 40 times 3, and 50 times 3. These are the answers that I'm going to write. 10 times 3 is 30. So, you're right. So we are going to listen to this video. Okay. So
everyone go to the very front of the room.
And so this is our video. 10 with how many threes in it is also like saying 10 times 3, which is 30. And 20 times 3 is 60. And that's how many 3s are 20. Like how many 3 times 30 is like 30 times 3, which is 90. 40 times 3 is 120.
So
And 50
possible without
times 3 is 150.
all you have left is
And so that's like saying how many 3s are in all.
you can't really do anything else because the headphone jack is stuck in there.
And so that is our video, and now we're going to fill that in, what I just did. So 10 times 3 is 30. We're not really done with everything. We just need to do that. 30. And 20 times 3 is, like I said, 60. And 30 times 3 is 90. We'll go to another page to do 40 and 50. So we're on the next page, and we do what I was doing on the last page, which is now I'm going to see how many 3s are in 40. So it's like 40 times 3 is 120, and 50 times 3 is 150. And so there's that. So this is a picture of what I just did, like right now. I just showed you. Okay, so here's our picture. Now I'm going to draw a circle around what I just did. That's just what I did. Okay, so next page. Okay, we are going to use another picture to show what we are going to do next, which is a number model. Here's our picture, and I'm going to circle what we're going to do again. Okay, so I'm going to write the number model right now. Okay, so we are going to write out the number model, and it is 135, because that's how many wheels there are, divided by 3, because there's 3 wheels per tricycle. And it equals, we have to put a question mark for the number model. In the next page to see what we do next. We are going to take a picture of what we do next, okay? Okay, so next we're going to see what the answer is with how many tricycles, and we're going to think back to when we made our little table-like thing. The next page to do this. So we go back to the table-like thing, and I'll take another picture of it so we remember. We can look at it. Okay, so here's our problem for when we need it. Okay. First, we need to see what's in the middle. What 135 in the middle? Well, it's in the middle of 120 and 150. So, let's see. It could be any 40, 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Because these two are 9, right? So, we're going to try different ways. We'll go on the next page to do our multiplication. So, let's try 41 times 3. Well, 3 times 1, let's see, 3 times 1 is 3. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So that's 123. Let's go back to our other page to see if that's what we needed. So it's 100. The answer is 123. We wanted 135. So let's try. Instead of 41, we should try 45. Okay. We're going into the next page to check that out. So we are going to do 45 times 3 equals, well, 5 times 3 equals 15. So we put a 5 there, and we carry the 1 up there. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. But then we have to add a 1 to it. And so 12 plus 1 equals 3. 13, actually. And then we write down 13, and it equals 135. Perfect, that's what we wanted. So the answer is, then we'll go to the next page to see what the answer is. Okay, so the answer would be 45, because 45 times 3 equals 135, and that's what we needed. So the answer is 45, and so on our summary number model, we write 135 divided by 3 equals 45. Now I'm going to do another example on another page. Okay, so we're on another page, and I'm going to do a video to show another example, and I'm going to be drawing on a whiteboard to do that. And so here's our video, and we are going to watch it. And as you can see, it's right here. And here we go. So first we think about, I already have the table here, but we think of a problem like this. The community center, this is my problem. The community center bought 276 cans of soda for a picnic. How many 6-packs is that? Well, we do, first fill this out. 10 times 6 is 60. 20 times 6 is 120. 30 times 6 is 180. 40 times 6 is 240. And 50 times 6 is 300. So we filled that out. Now we have to do our number model. So let's think. Well, since if there's 276 cans of soda, and how many 6-packs is that we do? 276 divided by 6 equals question mark, because we don't know it yet. And so I'm going to have to erase this because we know our room. But so now we think, well, here's what I'm doing right here. And this one. And so let's see. So I already filled that out on my whiteboard. So it has to be, since I'll fill this out on this one. 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. So we're doing 276 divided by 6 equals. So 276 is between 240 and 30. So now we go to 40 and 50. It's in between those two. I'm going to try 42 times, we have to do multiplication, so 42 times 6, and then we'll see what the answer equals. 42 times 6. Well, we do that by saying 6 times 2 is 12. So we put a 2 here, we carry the 1. 4 times 6 is 24, then add a 1, 25. So it equals 252. So so that's not right because we need 276. And this is less, so we have to do more than 42. Let's try 43. So 43 times 6 equals, 6 times 3 is, well, it's 18, so we put an 18 there. 4 times 6 is 24, and then we do 25, so 258. And that's still not right, so let's try 44. 44 times 6 equals, 4 times 6 is 24, so put 4 there, 2 here. 4 times 6 is 24 again, but then 24, 25, 26. 264. That's getting closer, but now we have to try 45. I have to erase this one so I have room to do 45. 45 times 6 equals, 5 times 6 equals 30. 4 times 6, 24, 25, 26, 27, 270. Oh, so then we see, well, if we do 46, it would be 6 more. That would be 276, so that's perfect. So we know it's 46 is the answer. So then the answer is 46. So our summary number model could be 276 divided by 6 equals 46. There's our second example. So there's my 2 examples, and I hope you learned something from them.